Oh, hold on. Yeah, baby. Gorgeous. A lot of the stuff we've been fishing today has had a combination of two different types of structure, either that be docks weeds, hard bottom weeds, two different types of weeds mixed together, any of those combinations. They've been up shallow. It's been raining here for the past week, and it's really cooled down the surface and shallower water temps below 80. They've been this morning. They were 75 when I got out here. The leopard print frog is what did the job.